welcome back. So we have just a quick little Hobby Lobby Target haul. So sometimes I know I always try to do something meaningful, especially for like grandparents or our parents, and I have a little helper. Sammy, you helping? Yes? You helping mommy? So here's just like a quick little idea if you need to like throw something together and you have a little bit of time. So my mom has been just doing a lot of stuff for the family, not making a lot of time for her. So I thought I would do like a self-care basket for her. And she's actually taking care of my sister and brother, and actually both of my sisters, that their whole house had COVID. So birthdays are a little bit different. So let me just show you what I got real quick. I got this basket for Hobby Lobby. Now Hobby Lobby, every other week, their what is it called? Their flyers flip-flop. So if something's not on sale one week, wait and it'll go on sale. We got some flowers to put in the basket. I did get a blank card. I want to take her to get a massage, like I'll go with her. So I don't know exactly where we'll go, so I'll do like a coupon kind of thing in there, especially if you want to do something with them, but you're not doing it on the day of their birthday. This is kind of like something tangible you can put in their hand and say, hey, that's what this is for. So this will be for a massage that her and I will go to when everything calms down. I got some cellophane bags to wrap. I'm going to make my own gift basket. This I found, and it was actually one that didn't have a hole or a little ball. So I got me a hat for vacation. I found this cup. My cup runneth over, so I'm going to put that in her basket. This is actually for my nephew on top of his birthday present. He's got COVID, but his birthday is today. So I like to wrap it and then put these on top of it. I also got a couple little things just to add in. Here, you can just grab this party stuff, paper to put in the bottom of the baskets. So that was, oh, and then I got this here too, this candle, lavender and sage. So I'm kind of doing like a self-care basket for her. I also got her a mani-pedi gift card. So it's that and the massage and then the self-care stuff. I got at Target this little like foot scrubber for in the shower. I got her a new cup. And this is actually glass, I think. This is the little hand mitts, and I also got some of this Burt's Bees, this hand salve, where you can put it on and put it in here. And if you warm these up, which if you wet them and then warm them up in the microwave just for like a few seconds, they're nice and warm, and you put it with the lotion and it like conditions your hands. I do that because you can see, I don't know if it'll show up on, I had scarlet fever when I was little, and you probably can't see it, my hands like peel and sheet. So I got her some of that. I got her a sugar scrub for her feet, and then I got some of these eye things. She loves these things, but there's all different ones: anti-puff, detox, eye bright. So these are the little gels that go under your eyes. I got her a set of towels, just because when you're doing stuff in the bathroom, you like to have like little towels. This says mine and yours. And then I got her 2 of these foot masks and 2 hand masks. So these just go on like you would do at the, you can get them at Ulta too, but they do them at the nail place. But these are just 10 minutes and you just put them on. My 15-year-old actually loves those. He says they just feel nice. So those are like $2.99 a piece. So the basket doesn't end up being terribly expensive. And then in other things, I am going to make some chocolate cupcakes. And I already have a box mix because they're gluten-free. Quick tip. You want to make something special, just crush the Oreos up, mix it in the icing, and Now It's Fun for also the 9-year-old. I think he's 9, maybe he's 8, I don't know. I got some of these headbands. My 15-year-old is expressing himself and wants to have like a man bun. So as it grows out, I got him some of those because I can't stand it in his eyes. Some clips for me. The girls needed some hair bands. And then also my mom likes healthier chocolate. Like she likes stevia and different things. She also likes, you know, the good chocolate. So I got a couple of these to put in there and some regular dark chocolate, and then a raspberry cheesecake. And one of those is for our house. And I got some vanilla icing. Now these they're for my 2.5-year-old. It's also like a skill, like when you're doing open and close, these little pop and locks. You can also do colors with them. So this is actually like a STEM learning toy that we use, and he loves these. And then for my nephew, besides the candy, I'll put these little packs on his. And then I got him a Lego set for his birthday, and I picked one up with my mom because she's actually doing virtual school with them. So I picked up one for her. And then, of course, birthday card. So this is I know I did that really fast, but this is kind of like birthday haul for 2 people. And I went to 2 stores. You know, I get her flowers and balloons and stuff, but sometimes when you're doing things, you don't necessarily have to make it expensive. As long as it's thoughtful and you put effort into it, it usually means more. So I'm gonna assemble this basket, and I'll put it at the end of this video. So this ends up being like a little thing, thing you can hang on a door. Love you more. We put the flowers and just did one of these baskets. But yeah, so that is the basket that we made her, and that took me maybe 10 minutes to put together. And I just found different things that she could use, and as she takes things out of the basket, she'll find more that are kind of buried in there. So yeah. So that's an easy idea, that if you don't know what you want to give somebody, and I hate always just giving gift cards to people. So this is a way that you can go that extra mile and show that you put some thought into it, and still be kind of generic, so that, you know, you're getting them something they'll use instead of just, you know, something that they might put on a shelf. But everything has meaning with it. Have a great day.